Food is fundamental to survival. More than that, it's just fun. It brings joy and sometimes comfort. However, amidst its significance, we find ourselves in a perplexing situation where our food system fails to nourish us and our planet adequately. How did we reach this point? Welcome to a case study on how AI revolutionizes agriculture and innovation from plant to plate. Today, conventional farming methods often rely on excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Additionally, the increasing demand for food has pressured farmers to maximize yields, often resulting in monoculture farming, which depletes the soil's nutrients and makes crops more vulnerable to diseases and pests. However, amid these challenges, artificial intelligence (AI) emerges as a powerful tool with a great promise for revolutionizing how we grow and produce our food. An agricultural biotechnology company recognizes the urgent need for innovative solutions in the food and agriculture industry. Matt Crisp, the co-founder and CEO of Benson Hills, talks about how their solution addresses these issues.
We invest in and have advanced a technology platform that we call Crop OS, short for Crop Operating System. And it allows us to develop better seed through breeding and CRISPR technology that ultimately results in better food and feed ingredients. And so when we say better, what we mean is more nutritious, or nutrient dense, more sustainable, more flavorful. And so that has attributes that the end consumer or the end user actually desires, rather than just focus on quantity and yield, which is what the principal focus has been in the agri-food system and on seed development historically.
Matt elaborates on how their AI-based solution works.
So we're using data science and genomics to understand how can we tap into this natural genetic diversity that's here and improve the seed such that it's got, let's say, more protein, more nutrition density. And then by doing so, if we can ratchet up that protein concentration and then move that through the system in an integrated business model, which we do, we can actually get rid of some of the processing, we can reduce some of the additives that are required.
Matt further talks about the benefits by explaining how they can reduce processing and increase sustainability.
So when I say that we can reduce processing, I'll explain how this works today. Is usually you might take a soybean and you would take the oil out, and then it would have to go through a very water and energy intensive processing step to concentrate that soy meal, all right, essentially to make it what's called a protein concentrate. And we might see this oftentimes on food labels that we eat, for alternative burgers or dairy, or we might even see it in like protein bars or nutrition bars that we consume. Well, the same thing is used to feed fish. And so when we go through that extra processing step, we're burning up a lot of CO2. There's a lot of water intensity to that. There's also a lot of cost to that. And so when we say, all right, if we go back to the beginning and back to the seed in the field, and with our farmer partners grow a crop that's already got really, really high concentrations of that protein and also has a low anti-nutrient profile, we can actually just take the bean and get the oil out of it and then move it right into that market. So we don't have to go through all those extra steps. And so when I say more sustainable, that's not just a buzzword. It's actually quantifiable, 70+% reduction in water, 89+% reduction in CO2 emissions.
The company's food innovation engine, Crop OS, taps nature's genetic diversities to develop and commercialize healthier, more sustainable food and ingredient options that benefit farmers, food companies, and consumers. This innovative approach, which leverages AI and other advanced technologies, holds great promise in addressing the agricultural industry's challenges. The holistic crop technology platform exemplifies how AI can contribute to a more resilient, sustainable, and nutritionally rich food system. Hope you liked this video and thank you for watching. Don't forget to tune into our other video case studies.